Here is a normal fridge freezer. Let's see what delights we have in the fridge today. Go for it, mate. There's something in there. What is it?
Whoa! I've been locked in the fridge all these.
Oh, Davey, I know we said to you to fucking chill out, but fucking that's taking it to the next level, isn't it?
I think I've been too long. Gone straight to the fridge.
Mad as fuck. That's the maddest place ever to go to sleep, ever. Davey, name somewhere madder than the fridge to go to sleep.
I can't tell.
Neither can I. Buster, can you name somewhere madder? Wait there, we're going to ask Rosie. Rosie, we've got a question for you. Answer honestly. Rosie, can you think of anywhere dafter to fall asleep than in the fridge? We'll give her another 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Nope. That was extreme sleeping by Mr. Savage.